So what you can also do with Adobe Camera RAW is work around with its optics adjustment. So over here you can see that I have this image right here, and you got the optics section right here. So you can simply go around and expand this, and over here you get simple options like you can remove the chromatic aberrations, and if there's some chromatic aberrations right here, then it'll be removed out. So apart from that, you can go around and use profile corrections right here. That means you can go around and select out any camera right here. Like for example, it detected that it selected out Nikon and AF lens right here. You can select another lens right here so that the corrections are made. And you can go around choose the profile that you like as well. If I were to go around over here and select out, let's say for example 200 over here, then you can see that this is the zoom level right here. Let me just go around and move this out over here to side, just like this. You can go around onto the fringe right here and take the sample of the fringe as well. Like let's say for example you can take on this, and then you can take that as a sample, as you can see right here, and then you can remove out certain colors. Like you can go around and change around the fringe level right here and remove out the colors, as you can see right here. Similarly, you can go around with the greens as well, like this greens, as you can see right here. So you can go around and take out sample of the green right here, just like this. So let's just go around and select out green right here, and then you can go around change around the green amount as well, and you can remove them out if you want, as you can see right here. So that is what you have. Apart from that, you can get to the manual section, and let me just go to fit to view right here, just like this. And in the manual section, you can go around, change around the distortion level, as you can see right here. So you can go around and zoom out or zoom in, as you can see right here, to change the side right here. And then you can change around the vignette option as well, so that in the edges you can see that it becomes darker or brighter as per what you need right here, just like this. And that is how you can work around with optics adjustment options inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.